What's up, divas? What's up, divas? What's up, divas? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl A, and today it's about SHEIN. Okay, what's up, y'all? Hope y'all all are having like a great day whenever you're watching this video. You know, staying positive, staying blessed, motivated, out the way, mind your business, and get your shopping on, girl. Okay, because you already know this video is being sponsored by SHEIN, where you can get the best of the best of the best for less. Okay, what's up, everybody? So for this video, it's gonna be nothing but Care Bears. This is a Care Bear collection available on SHEIN. SHEIN does have the best of the best of the best for less. So your spring era is about to start with Care Bears. Okay, spring era starting with Care Bears on SHEIN, and I will definitely link all of the information below. Along with that, a coupon code. You can save up to 50% on Care Bears. I watched Care Bears as a kid growing up, so spring era, bring Care Bears in. So for this video, it's actually going to be my granddaughter modeling some things, but I did get some things for myself as well as one thing for my dog. First, we're going to start off with the shirt that I have on, and I don't know why I'm yelling because I'm always yelling, but anyway, the shirt that I have on is definitely a Care Bear shirt. I love the quality of the shirt. Let me tell y'all why. Because this is definitely T-shirt fabric. Y'all know how I be acting when it comes to T-shirts and fabric. Now, this is Care Bear Colecciones. This is great fabric. It feels very lightweight. It's definitely great for the summer. It does have the number 82 on the sides as well as in the back. In the back, there's also, I like the fit of it. I did get it in an extra larger size. I do like it. They do have quite a few items for women and men on SHEIN when it comes to the Care Bear collection. But I didn't want a whole lot of Care Bear for myself, so I decided I'm just gonna allow my granddaughter to just do it up. She likes cartoons. She's a girly girl, and as you guys seen, she is in a lot of the new SHEIN toddler clothing ads that I have posted on my channel. So make sure you check her out. She is stunning in her new SHEIN wardrobe. Along with that, my grandson as well. SHEIN does have some really good quality clothing for children, plus it's affordable. Why spend a whole bunch of money on toddler clothes or kids clothes if they're gonna outgrow them? So make sure you check out SHEIN. They got all that drip for the kids. But I did want my dog Pancake to be part of the action when it came to the Care Bears. Now, as you guys will see, my granddaughter and my fur daughter are wearing Care Bear collections. I really did like this dog outfit for Pancake, and that's my fur daughter's name. It's really good quality. It's not polyester. This is breathable. It's kind of like a terry cloth if you ask me. It was a little bit too big for her, a little bit long because she is smaller in size, but you can definitely check out the sizing chart. Now, these Crocky shoes or these slides are actually really good quality. They're affordable, they're kid friendly. They also do have the feet out, and if you want to go into, I think they're called sport mode or action mode, you can do so. So it does say Care Bears on the back, and these are really, really cute. She did pair this with her purple muumuu, which is a Care Bear muumuu. She loves the muumuu, okay? She really loved the muumuu. We did pair the muumuu with some of those Care Bear socks that you also see in the video, and I do like the quality of the sock. They're very good quality. They stretch, they're made great. So, and they do come in, I believe it was a 4-pack. Also with the muumuu, she did have on her Care Bear bag. So it is an adult size bag, but I did put the straps a little bit tight so that way she was able to rock it. My granddaughter loves purses. She loves sunglasses. She loves girly girl stuff, and she thought the purse was so cute. So even though it might be a little bit too big for her, she's definitely still going to rock it. You will see her rocking her Care Bear hooded towel, which she is in love with. She absolutely loves this Care Bear towel. It's hooded. It does have the sides open, but it's a really great towel for if the kids are going to the pool or to the beach or what have you. They have a towel that's easy accessible. They don't have to worry about wrapping it around them. You could just throw it on them. And she did pair it with these yellow Care Bear slides, and they're kind of like the same as the pink ones, but just in the color yellow. Now, the one thing I will tell you about the sizing, they do have a sizing chart. So what I did to make sure that she got the perfect fit, I just took out my tape measure and I measured her foot from the top of her heel to the bottom of her toes in inches and just went by the graphic size on SHEIN to find her perfect size. The next outfit that you see my granddaughter rocking is the Care Bear sweatsuit. I did get it in a size for youth, for 4 years old. I love this. It fit great. It has pockets in the pants and it fit perfect. Normally when her pants are too big from SHEIN, she is 4, but she's a little bit short for her age. Normally what I will do is I will put some elastic in the cuff of the pants so that way they don't drag on the floor. and she's able to wear them longer. So I thought the sweatsuit was so cute. I love the colors. It's perfect for everyday wear. It's lightweight. It's a great sweatsuit, and I thought it was so cute on her. I did put some bows in her hair, and she did rock it with these Care Bear slides as well. Now these you can actually put some gibbets in if you choose to, but they do have like the Care Bears on the side, and as well in the front there's also like some clouds and rainbows also on it. These were super cute. She's wore these about 3 times already, and she loves them. She loves a good comfortable shoe that has slides on it. Now the next item that you see her wearing is her Care Bear t-shirt, and I did pair it with these pink denim jeans that I got for SHEIN for her during the Christmas holiday. It looked perfect together, a perfect match, and she did wear these pink slides along with the outfit. The shirt is a 4-year-old shirt, and it fits really, really great. It's lightweight. It's the same type of material as this right here, which is a good breathable cotton t-shirt material. And I like that it gave like a sporty look, you know, a little pink bows in her hair, pink Care Bear shoes, and she was good to go. SHEIN definitely has some good quality when it comes to like certain items for kids. I love that they are giving more pockets. The denim is definitely deniming, and the characters on the shirt are greatly made, so when you wash it, they're not going to wash or peel off. Now the socks that we also do have from SHEIN for the Care Bear collection, she did get these socks as well. These also come in a 4-pack, and I thought these were so cute. They do have like the rubber gripping on the bottom. Super cute. They're very stretchable, you know, so if you're thinking that they are for like babies or newborns, these are definitely toddler socks. She actually has on the blue ones today, but they do come in a 4-pack. They are pink. There's a blue pair. There's also a purple pair as well, which are really nice. These are really great socks, and there's also a yellow pair also in the collection as well. So yes, you guys, you definitely want to check out the Care Bear collection from SHEIN for yourself or for your kids. The last item is this 2-piece PJ set that I got for myself. Now I definitely was not about to try this on for you guys because this is private. Like, I'm not about to show you everything that I try on. I like the bags that they came in too. So I did get this 2-piece set so I can sleep in it, which is Care Bears. Isn't this cute? This is so cute. It is a boy cut short set, okay, and the fabric is definitely approvable. And then it also comes with a sport bra top, and it has padding in it, which I will be removing because I'm going to be sleeping in this. But I thought this was so damn cute. Really, really cute. I got this in a 2X as well for myself. Really, really cute. I was not about to be parading around in the video showing you guys that, but I definitely will show you here. Super cute. If you are a fan of Care Bear, you definitely want to check them out. Girl, get you a Care Bear outfit, get you a Care Bear pajama set, or just check it out for your pet or for your children. SHEIN definitely got you, okay? Today, listen, let me tell y'all know how I'll be setting myself up to do like a bunch of videos in one day. So this video number 6 of the day, I did 5 wig videos today. When I tell you I did 5 wig videos, I did 5 wig videos. When I tell you I cornrowed the heck out of this hair down so that way I could do my video reviews on my wigs, yes, because I was not about to take this hair out at all. I absolutely love it. It's easy maintenance. It's beautiful. This is the 5th time that I have wet it because it was braided so tight. I wanted to give it back its curl. Came out super nice. I probably would do like a couple of the front ones over just so that way I could keep rocking this for as long as I can. I will definitely link everything below for SHEIN. And also, if in case you're wondering about my purse, this is a new bag that I got. This is an inspired bag by a website called Us Bag, and I'll link that in the comments as well. I love this bag. It's very sturdy. It came super quick from China. Very, very good quality. It has a pocket inside. I love the printing on it. It is a canvas material, which I love. I love the canvas material bag, especially for the spring. I thought it would look cute because it's pink and it's more or less like a peachy pink. It will go with my shirt. It'll go with a lot of different things because it has a lot of different colors on it. But it also did come with these different little, you know, bag hanging things, and the straps are removable, and it also does come with a lock and keys. I thought this was so cute when I seen it. Really, really nice quality. The inside as well is definitely a plus. I do have a matching wallet, and there's also another pocket inside, which is a zipper pocket, so you can definitely keep all of your goodies safe. And then you could also lock the purse so nobody will steal your stuff, which is great. great. This took about 4 days to come after they shipped it off to me. I'll definitely link them in the comments below, but I like this bag so much. Really good quality. They have so many beautiful inspired pieces, from glasses, jewelry, watches, shoes, clothing. And like I said, it's usbags.ru, and I will link them down below. Also, along with that, there is a phone number that I will also link as well. But I love anything inspired, you know, and just like with SHEIN, don't go broke spending a bunch of money on clothing and accessories when you can find the right places to get them from. And I love the fact that people are more or less just gearing to collections and inspired looks. I love a good inspired look, and girl, listen, I love a good purse, I love a good outfit, I love a good wig. Y'all know me, I love nice things, but I don't want to pay the hefty prices of them. The straps are removable, so if you want to carry it just like so, you can do that. But I thought it would look really cute with my Care Bears shirt, you know, and some jeans on. And on top of that, like I said, super affordable. I think it was like $98 on the website because it is made of canvas. It also comes with a dust bag, so if you like for your things to be in a dust bag, they do come with that. This is the matching wallet, which I absolutely am in love with, and it also comes with the dust bag too. This is the matching wallet, which is so cute, and it has all these slots in it, and also does have a zipper enclosure on the side. The wallet as well is super affordable. It has plenty of slots and also has a zipper on the side, plus some more slots, so that way you can keep your big bills in it if you're a big spender. But you know what I'm saying? Don't spend too much money on things that are inspired. Just get, girl, listen, find the right places. SHEIN is definitely one of them, who carry brand names as well. They do carry brands such as Adidas and Pumas, and those as well are available and super affordable on the SHEIN website. I like the fact that it took no time at all to get shipped out and to arrive, and it was delivered by FedEx, so you're not waiting for too long. But the quality is amazing on this, really pretty. I like the detailing and different, you know what I'm saying? Totally different. I love these type of bags, but I also love the fact that if I get tired of carrying it by hand, I can use the actual strap. So you guys, I will link everything down below for SHEIN, along with SHEIN and the bag company. I love y'all. Stay diva and divolicious. Make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.